Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The name of my channel is called GH Uni Application Tips, and if you've not watched any of my previous videos, I encourage you to watch them so you don't miss out on the necessary information needed when applying to the University of Ghana. So in my last video, we looked at the College of Health Sciences and everything you needed to know about the college, and in this video we'll continue with the College of Education, the available programs the college offers, detailed entry requirements for these programs, the available campus these programs are held, and the choice of selection and preference. Bachelor of Arts in Education, and the requirement is you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 electives. However, major preference is given to general arts students. This program is offered at the Legon campus and is preferably a first choice selection only. The cutoff point for Bachelor of Arts in Education as of last academic year was aggregate 22. The cutoff point for fee payment is not applicable. So moving on, we are going to look at some of the available bouquets under the Bachelor of Arts in Education, and we have bouquets like Education, Psychology, Information Studies, Education, Sociology, Social Work, Education, Information Studies, Adult Education, Education, Information Studies, Psychology, Education, Information Studies, Sociology. So when you choose the Bachelor of Arts in Education program, these are the bouquets you must select from. Bachelor of Arts in Education English. The requirement is you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 elective subjects, including English literature. So what this means is that English literature at the SHS level is a requirement to offer this program. So this program offers a bouquet like Education, English, and Linguistics. This program is available on the Legon campus and it's preferably a first or second choice selection. The cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 22 and the cutoff point for fee payment is not applicable. Bachelor of Science in Education, and the requirement is you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 elective subjects, including biology, chemistry, physics, and elective mathematics. So what this means is that this program is only available for pure science students. So some of the available subject bouquets under the Bachelor of Science in Education is Education, Chemistry, Biology, Education, Chemistry, Physics, Education, Mathematics, Chemistry, Education, Mathematics, Physics, Education, Mathematics, and Statistics. So the Bachelor of Science in Education is being offered at the Legon campus and it's preferably a first or second choice selection only. The cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 24 and the cutoff point for fee payment is not applicable. Bachelor of Arts in Sports and Physical Culture. Looking at the entry requirements, you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 elective subjects. This program is being offered at the Legon campus and is preferably a first or second choice selection only. The cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 24 and the cutoff point for fee payment is not applicable. So some of the subject bouquets under the Bachelor of Arts in Sports and Physical Culture is Sports Education Dance Studies, Sports Education English, Sports Education French, Sports Education History, Sports Education Information Studies, Sports Education Linguistics, Sports Education Psychology, Sports Sociology, Information Studies. So when you choose the Bachelor of Arts in Education program, you are allowed to select any of these subjects. Okay. Bachelor of Education GHS Specialism, and the requirement is you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 elective subjects. This program is being offered on the Legon campus and it's preferably a first or second choice selection only. The cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 22 and the cutoff point for fee payment is not applicable. Bachelor of Arts Distance Education, and the requirement is you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 elective subjects. The available bouquet under the Bachelor of Arts Distance Education S. Accounting, Psychology, Adult Education, Adult Education, Psychology, Information Studies, Education, Sociology, Information Studies, Human Resource, Psychology, Information Studies, Public Administration, Sociology, Information Studies, Political Science, Sociology, Information Studies, Psychology, Sociology, Economics, Psychology, Sociology, and Information Studies. So the Bachelor of Arts Distance Education can be located at all the University of Ghana's 11 regional learning centers, and it's preferably a first, second, or third choice selection, and the cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 30. The cutoff point for fee payment is not applicable for the Bachelor of Arts Distance Education program. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology Distance Education, and the requirement is you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 elective subjects. This program is available at all University of Ghana's 11 regional learning centers, and it's a first, second, or third choice selection. The cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 22. Bachelor of Science in Administration Distance Education, and the requirement is you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 elective subjects. This program is also available at all the University of Ghana's 11 regional learning centers, and it's a first, second, or third choice selection, and the cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 30. So when offering the Bachelor of Science in Administration program, you can specialize in any of these fields such as accounting, banking and finance, public administration, human resource management, health service management, marketing, and insurance. So these are some of the things you should note down when selecting programs at the College of Education. Preference is given to an applicant who selects a first choice program with a weaker aggregate such as aggregate 15 over another who selects the same program as the second choice with a stronger aggregate such as aggregate 10. So what this means is that the one with aggregate 15 will be selected ahead of the one who has aggregate 10. Some subject requires you have specific elective background. So a program like Bachelor of Arts in Education English requires that you have a background in English literature at the SHS level. Bachelor of Arts in Education Legon Campus gives major preference to their first choice applicants only. So you should be mindful of this, and it's not advisable to take Bachelor of Arts in Education Legon Campus as your second or your third choice when you are selecting your programs. Always let last year's cutoff point serve as a guide when selecting your programs. So for instance, the cutoff point for Bachelor of Arts Education as of last academic year was aggregate 22, and if you know your aggregate is 23 or 24, it's not advisable to take the Bachelor of Arts in Education program because you don't qualify for the program. Distance education program is run on weekends in all the 11 regional learning centers and is the same 4-year degree program. I want to thank all my viewers for watching this video. Let's gain over 100 likes to this video so I make a video on how to apply at the University of Ghana online application portal step by step. And please do make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, ask questions, and share to friends and relatives who are also applying this academic year. And do well to click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.